Want to know how to make passive income from digital products using YouTube? Even if you're a total beginner, then stick around because this video is for you. Hey guys, if you're new here, I'm Jo and I help creators with freelancing, passive income, and tech. Today, I'm breaking down every single thing that you need to know to start selling digital products right here on YouTube. I'm not going to overcomplicate things. You don't need a huge budget, just the essentials to get you going. And stay tuned to the end because I've got a checklist that's going to help you stay on track. Are you ready? Let's dive in. I'll be honest, I was always a bit afraid of using YouTube. I thought that everything needed to be high production. You always had to look a certain way and always wear makeup, and honestly, it just felt like a real mountain, and I just was not ready to climb that mountain. But here's the thing. I've soon realized that not all of those expectations were completely true. I didn't need to look or sound perfect. I just needed to start sharing. And that's what was the total game changer for me. I also didn't know back then just how powerful YouTube could be for selling digital products. Once I got over my fears and I saw the potential and I figured out the basics, I started seeing results. And let me tell you, the best part is that after you've made a video, it keeps working for you. Every single day, my videos bring in new viewers and potential buyers. So today, I'm sharing exactly what I've learned so you can skip the learning process that I went through and hit the ground running. Oh hey, and a quick heads up, I've got some really cool resources and freebies linked below that will help you get started with selling digital products ASAP. So make sure to check them out. Alright, let's dive into the steps that you need to take to sell digital products here on YouTube. Step 1, get your essentials together. First things first, let's cover the essentials. To make this work, you're going to need 3 key things: a digital product, a system to sell it like system.io, and of course a YouTube channel. If you don't have a digital product yet, don't stress. You don't need anything fancy to start with. You can start with simple items like templates, workbooks, maybe a mini guide. They're great for getting started. You could even create something like a digital planner or a checklist. And here's the best part. You actually don't need a huge inventory. Sometimes just one really well-made product can start generating those sales. If you need some help creating a digital product, my digital product Kickstarter kit teaches you everything that you need to know. And it even comes with a resale license so you can sell it as your first digital product. Or you can have a look at some of my other done-for-you digital products. So these are products that are created by really reputable people and sellers. And these are really popular courses. There are also some funnels, there are templates, there are course resources. But everything here in the shop is really good to get started with. And the cool thing is that you can buy these, you can learn, then you can resell them if you want to. There are actually so many different ways that you can use all of these digital products, but you just need to grab something and get started with it. So it's really easy for you to actually learn the process of selling and marketing on YouTube. So I would start with either the digital product Kickstarter kit or one of the done-for-you digital products. And system.io also has a free plan that you can sign up for, which is really, really awesome. And if you do decide that you want to go for the free plan, you can sign up through my link. And if you decide to upgrade at any time, I will also give you my power pack, which has got so many great things in it to help you get started with system.io. It's a lot of stuff that I learned, and so I thought I would share it. And even if you want to upgrade straight away because you're like, oh, well, I'm already going to be upgrading, I'm already going to need this tool, then you will also get the power pack. If you upgrade to the annual one, I will actually give you a free PLR system.io course. So you will have so many resources to get you started with. So whether you upgrade, whether you do the free one or you do the pay one, it doesn't matter. Like if you sign up through my link and eventually you upgrade, as long as it's through my link, you will be able to get all this cool stuff as well. So definitely sign up through the link so you can get access to all of this stuff when you're ready. The link is below if you're interested. Step 2, optimize your YouTube account. Let's make sure your YouTube channel is looking sharp and inviting. Here's what you need to do. Your channel banner. Keep it simple with your name or your brand name and a line about what you offer. Think of it as your shop window, clean, clear, and welcoming. Your About section. You can write a quick summary explaining the kind of content that you'll be sharing. Let people know what they can expect to learn from you, and make it friendly. This little intro goes a long way in building trust. Your links. Add links to your digital products or website directly on your channel page. Make it as easy as possible for people to find what you're offering. Step 3, link strategy, placing links in descriptions and comments. Now for the fun part, adding your product links. There are two main places to do this, in the video description and in the first comment. In the video description, make sure to include a link to your product or freebie that leads to it. You also need to make sure that you mention the link during your videos too, so viewers know exactly where to find it. Keep it simple though, too many links can really overwhelm people. Next, pin a comment with your link right after you post your video. Head to the comment section, paste your links and pin it to the top. Give it a thumbs up to keep it visible, and if possible, add a quick call to action like check out this free guide to get started. You can also look around at other creators for inspiration on how they format their pinned comments. There's so much creativity out there, so just go and have a little research and see what other people are doing. So I've actually gone onto YouTube, and one of my favorite creators is Modern Millie, and I found a couple of other people as well, just really randomly, so you can see what their links look like. So this is her oldest video, and you can see from Day Dot that she structured her links really well. She's got some emojis, she's got resources, and this is how people get to her digital products. So she's got the video that attracts people, and then people can see more down below. Now here is another person. This person is talking about like an Etsy store, and it is also their oldest video. I tried to go for the older videos just so you could see the difference between different creators, and this person here has put like some discount codes and has obviously needed to credit some music as well. But you can see how different people format different ways of their links, and this is another person as well who just has one link. So there are so many different ways to do it, but I do recommend having a look at creators and look at creators that are not even in your niche, because you'll get some really good ideas. Step 4, content schedule and types of videos. This is where consistency comes into play. You don't have to post daily. A simple schedule of once a week works really well. But if you can post twice a week, that's also great too. Here are a few video ideas to get you started. I'm going to pop them up on screen now so you can screenshot them. How to use, insert your product guides. So these types of videos are giving a viewer a taste of the value. They are really good to start with. Review of your product. These videos work great to establish trust and showcase why your product is worth it. You can also create quick tutorials on related topics that build interest. Whatever you do, keep it helpful and informative. The goal here is to give that value and build that connection. Step 5, encouraging engagement to boost sales. Finally, let's talk about engagement. Comments, likes, and shares all boost your video in the YouTube's algorithm, meaning more people will see it, and more views means more potential sales. Here are some ideas on how you can increase engagement. You can ask questions. Encourage viewers to comment by asking questions in your video. Pin a comment. Add a comment with your product link, pin it, and like it for visibility. People will often react to that pinned comment. So you can check out my videos, because in my videos I always ask the comments and questions, and I love to respond to them, and I do that by asking in my video, and then I obviously start by pinning a first comment, but you can see that there are some comments down below. Now I just wanted to say something, that if you ever get any negative comments, like I got some negative ones the other day, I tried to reply to them as helpful as I could, because obviously the person that was commenting didn't really understand what was going on, and that is totally fine. But just remember that all comments boost your YouTube videos. So remember just to act professionally, and just like you would as if you were talking to somebody in real life, because even though this is online and it's virtual, you don't actually see people, it is nice to be able to actually act like a human being and be really nice and respectful. Share regularly. Post your video link on social media to get extra traction and comments. Remember, YouTube's videos are evergreen. They can keep bringing in new traffic and potential sales over time. Oh hey, remember I've got all of my digital product resources, and I've linked a free trial of system.io in the description below for you. All of these are going to help you sell your digital products on YouTube. Now here is something really cool. Unlike other social media platforms, YouTube videos stick around, like I mentioned before. They don't just disappear in 24 hours or get buried in a feed. YouTube is something called evergreen, which means it continues to reach new viewers long after you've hit that publish button. Imagine posting a video today and still getting views, comments, and even sales from it months down the track. And that is the power of evergreen content. Your videos work for you 24/7, bringing in potential buyers without you lifting a finger again. It's a little bit like having your own personal sales team on autopilot. So while other platforms are great for quick, short-term bursts of attention, YouTube is all about the long game. And once you get into a flow, it's really fun. All right, now you've got everything you need to get started, from creating your digital product, setting up your YouTube, placing links, and encouraging engagement. You are 100% ready. YouTube is an amazing platform for selling digital products and reaching people who genuinely want what you're offering. So go on, give it a try. I know you've got this. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. You can leave me any comments or questions in the comment section below of the video. I try and answer every single one of them. And check out this video because it's definitely going to help you level up even further.